order a repair service from Galco, you are relying on nearly 50 years of dependable, industry-leading expertise and quality repair of a wide range of brands, industries, and industrial electronic equipment, including drives, circuit boards, PLCs, HMIs, power supplies, test equipment, and many other industrial controls. We take personal pride in our work and will do everything we can to get you back up and running quickly and confidently with our 3 repair priority choice options, giving you a dependable turnaround time and ease of mind. All repairs are pre-priced or your evaluation is free. Simply search our repair catalog, find your pre-priced repair, print the shipping labels, and send it to us. Once we have the part, we give you the Galco Repair Plus Advantage, where our experienced repair technicians do not just repair your damaged part, they fully refurbish it and run it through 3 levels of inspecting, testing, and quality control before the part is sent back to you. Your repair includes full 18-month warranty plus coverage, which means the entire unit that you send us is covered, not just the part that needed repairing. Want to learn more? You can call us at 1-800-337-1720 or visit us at galco.com so you can experience Galco's repair service advantage today.